YouTube channel. I know this is a different setting, but I didn't felt like filming with my professional camera. I'm filming with my iPhone, so the quality is not really what you're used of my videos, but I'm here. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys about YouTube and where I've been, and in the meanwhile I'm gonna unravel my twist. These are finger coils and I already started unraveling, as you see, but I'm gonna continue and also talk to you guys a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna use a little bit oil for my hands. This is by Cantu, and yeah, just gonna rub it in my hands and unravel my twist. Makes it a little bit easier to unravel. Yeah, so okay, I wanted to come here and talk to you guys about where I've been and why I haven't uploaded as much videos, I guess. The reason why I'm not uploading YouTube videos is because I don't feel inspired nowadays. I really don't. I feel that I'm losing my authentic self here on YouTube. One thing you guys have to understand is that when I started YouTube, when I started my YouTube channel, I was in love with my hair and I felt like sharing everything with you guys, sharing my wash and goes, how I wash my hair, how I trim my hair, my twist out, everything. And nowadays I don't feel like sharing everything regards my hair, and that's because I don't know, I feel that I have shared so much about my hair on YouTube and it's getting boring right now, for me at least. I know that for you, you guys enjoy watching my videos, I guess, but most of you guys enjoy my hair videos, and that's also the biggest reason why you guys following me on social media, but mostly on YouTube. You have to understand that I'm not the same person as I was 5 years ago when I started my YouTube channel. Thank God. You know, I'm 29 right now and I feel that I need to do something different if I want to continue YouTube videos. I don't feel like hair videos are my thing right now. My new cut, you know, I'm excited again to show you guys my wash and go and my hair regimen, but that's it. And it's not that I'm gonna stop, or this video is not about telling you guys that I'm gonna quit hair videos and I'm gonna do something different or whatever, but I'm just wanna come here on YouTube and tell you guys how I feel or how I've been feeling lately. I feel that I lose my authentic self, especially now on YouTube. Everything is sponsored, and you have to understand that the reason why we do sponsored videos, the reason why YouTubers or content creators do sponsored videos is because this is our job. You know, I'm doing this full-time right now, so I have to make money, I have to earn money. So for me, I know that when I do sponsored videos, I'm in love with the products, and I'm not gonna do sponsored videos if I don't enjoy the products or if I haven't used the products before. And I want to focus more on writing and filming. I enjoy filming, and it can be filming different people, filming their life, or yeah, filming content on the streets, and you know, explore Amsterdam, explore the Netherlands. Since I'm here in Amsterdam, or since I'm here in the Netherlands, why not explore the Netherlands and show you guys the Netherlands or show you guys Amsterdam? So my content is gonna change, and this time I'm gonna do it because the last time when I changed my YouTube name, I told myself and I told you guys I'm gonna change and I'm gonna do more content and I'm not gonna focus only on hair and beauty, gonna do this, gonna do that, but here I am still talking about hair videos. So yeah, my content is gonna change. In 2018 or 2019, I want to focus on different content and I want to focus on quality and not really on quantity, because for me it's important to produce great content and produce a great video instead of producing the same content and the same hair videos all over again. In 5 years, I see myself as a writer. I see myself as someone who creates amazing content. I want people to come to my YouTube channel, people all over the world, people come to my YouTube channel and be like, whoa, that's a great video, man. The quality, the production, everything is amazing. I don't want people to come on my YouTube channel and be like, oh, it's a hair channel, never mind. You know, not everybody loves hair videos. 2019, I'm gonna focus more on, yeah, writing a script and producing dope ass videos, even though it's short, even though it's videos for 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I wanna produce dope content, and I'm gonna focus on Amsterdam, I'm gonna focus on the Netherlands. So that's that. Okay, I'm gonna pick my hair because I want some volume. So now with my short hair, I always use this hair pick and this small hair pick. This is amazing. And yeah, I first start with this big hair pick and then I'm gonna continue with this small hair pick. And this hair pick gives me a lot of volume. And I got this in a PR box. So now I'm gonna use this Edge Control by Curls. And this is amazing. With my long hair, the wash and go was my favorite go-to style, but now this is my favorite go-to style. My curls are so amazing. I wanna have this a little bit shorter and this also a little bit shorter because I feel that my hair is falling in my face and I don't really love hair in my face. To be like this, I want it to stand. But it doesn't because my hair is too heavy and it falls. I don't like the wash and go on my gray hair, or at least not with the, you know, the color treated hair still on the ends and my gray hair peeking through. I don't love the wash and go on this. It looks a little bit old and dusty and no. But this, okay. I'm gonna stop picking because we're done. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if it's gonna be a short video or a long video because I've been rambling a lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I don't know, maybe next video is gonna be something different. Maybe it's gonna be a hair video. We shall see. Okay, peace.